Thank you. I have been collaborating with Renaissance Downtown USA for more than 5 years to conceptualize and build 3D software and analysis solutions for triple bottom line. Our long-term efforts have yielded great results, and we are now empowered with a one-of-a-kind mechanism, a unique toolbox that facilitates developers, municipalities, and community stakeholders to view built scenarios that reflect optimal triple bottom line priorities in real time. Finally, our one-of-a-kind software can vastly improve program timelines and decision making. The software we possess also allows municipalities to effectively integrate and merge 3D scenes and data into their own IT infrastructure. Economic development, mapping, planning, risk avoidance, and citizen data portals are the clear beneficiaries, saving you significant time, and as we all know, time is money. Our 3D modeling, analytics, and visualization software delivers a toolbox containing a vast array of specialized data. This data includes key performance indicators that allow for balancing environmental, economic, and social benefit. We ensure success for important indicators like real estate performance, tax revenue, and carbon footprint performance. All the while, we change development scenarios, instantly updated and in real time. We have over 40 years of experience in advanced urban and master planning with the software that can enable smart cities like San Bernardino realize their vision of a sustainable city. This allows for a better triple bottom line, as we mentioned, and this impactful visualization and analytical software is part of the selection benefit. Thank you.
Good evening. My name is Gerhard Meyer. I'm the architect and urban designer on this team. When we met in February, we sensed right away how unique an opportunity this was. So let me show you what we came up with. We read in your RFP that you want to re-establish the historic street grid. We agree. Our proposed blocks are small to encourage walking and bicycling and people arriving at intersections more often. We like shaded streets. This is why some of the blocks are turned 45 degrees and why we are suggesting a tree canopy throughout the downtown. This rendering here shows only one possible version of what the new city can look like. We will, of course, co-create it with you in detail. Cities are best when they reflect many people's ideas. They'll be housing, but also supporting retail, entertainment, and commercial uses, all as determined by market demand. We envision active sidewalks with high-quality streetscapes, distinct neighborhood districts with a unique architectural character, and perhaps even with different tree species. The most impactful step towards sustainability will be to reduce vehicle miles traveled by making the city walkable. We'll use the latest green technologies and strategies, and we'll plan for green roofs on most new structures, which may include rooftop agriculture and gardens. Just imagine farm-to-table food served in local restaurants with produce coming from the building roofs. The 2009 vision plan by AECOM generously included water in the downtown fabric. Again, we agree. We propose a riverwalk loop starting with a central lagoon with boat rentals, gondola rides, and slow footpaths. This will make San Bernardino the prime urban destination for the Inland Empire. This may sound a little bit like pie in the sky thinking, but ideas like this will be necessary to attract the large investors. This riverwalk won't be purely an aesthetic feature either, but it will help with stormwater management, help keep the buildings cool, and the city green. In the RFP, you asked to evaluate future development opportunities on surrounding properties, and we did. The mall redevelopment should be a catalyst for positive change around it. When in Sacramento, they talk about transformational climate communities, this is what this program is envisioned to represent. Our proposal is a public-private mobilization to rebuild the city all at once. Our method is inclusionary, inviting all the yellow areas to join the momentum for national developers as well as locals. You have a transit hub with Metrolink and the SBX Omni high-speed bus lines already, and most of the new downtown is within a short walk. You will soon have the Aero to Redlands too. We propose an additional trolley route as a connector, again This route is only a suggestion to start a dialogue with the community. A few things in closing here. This is an extraordinary time now. What we are discussing is a first attempt to build in the new norm. I have worked in many places over the world, and I have long hoped for an opportunity like this, not just for San Bernardino, but for the entirety of Southern California. Never have I been involved with a team so uniquely positioned to make this happen. This is completely doable. When we visited with you back in February before COVID, what we heard from several council people was, this is the time for big and bold. Well, we are giving you big and bold. This video ends in the lagoon. The existing city hall is just off screen and connected with an existing bridge. In a development project like this one, it's easy to imagine either a modernized or a newly built city hall as part of the process. We see a lot of locations and owners struggling now, looking for how to adapt their existing assets to the new norm going forward. You are in the enviable position to start a new city almost from scratch, because here in San Bernardino, you will get to define the new norm with very few legacy constraints and hopefully point all of us into a good direction forward. Thank you very much.